Alright, so Lola and Princess and my cat, Surprise, they like baby talk.
Hi, Snoopy Doopy. Are you so cute? Yes, you are. Hello, Miss Lola. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Hi, little princess. Such a sweetie. Hello, little babies. Hello. Oh my goodness, you're so little. Hello. Are you just so cute? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're just so sweet. Yeah. I didn't forget you, Soupy Doopy. Hello, kitty. Who's my baby? Who's my big boy? Who's so cute? You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I did love you. I did love you. You're so sweet.
They're all such sweethearts. But Surprise here is my most affectionate kitty. Found him. Somebody dumped him outside by the woods outside my apartment. Probably like 3-4 years ago. And yeah. And I found him and I ended up getting him and have had him ever since. So, yeah. You can hear him purring. He's a big purrer.
Are you my good kitty? Are you my good kitty? Yes, you are. You're just a sweet kitty boy. You're just so pretty. You're so handsome. I just love you so much, Soupy Doop.
Yeah, my nickname for Surprise is Soup. It just fits. It works for him.
Hello. Hello, my sweet kitty. I just love you so much. I love you so much. You're so precious. I love you. I love you.
But yeah, he likes the baby talk. And little Princess here, she likes the baby talk. Oh, you got some stuff in your eye. And yeah, Lola, she got up. I guess she wanted to lounge in the sunshine. And then over there, that's Spartacus with the little white on his chest. And looking outside in the distance, that's Michonne. Named him after the Walking Dead character. Then right here, Xena. Sweetie. Hey. Xena. This is Xena, but she's being silly. And then the orange cat back there, that's Halloween. And then my white cat, that's Purple. And there's another kitty cat, Peekaboo. I don't know where she is right now. Probably hanging out nearby.
And this is little Lola. Hello.
Oh my gosh, that tickles. Stop. Princess, stop. That tickles. Stop. That tickles.
Hello, my little babies. I just love you all so much. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Hello, Princess. You're pretty too. You're pretty too.
Ah, look at my feet. That's so silly. Love you.
Love you. You're so pretty.